Augusta Ada Barron was born to Annabel and Milbank and Lord Byron. Her mother had studied mathematics, and her father was a poet. Ada's start and interest to mathematics came from her mother wanting her to get a private education focused on math, which was very uncommon for a woman in those days. Ada had shown very good understanding of mathematics and lots of interest in the way that motors or systems worked. She had to put a pause on her work for some time because she had gotten married and had children. Shortly after, Ada continued her work, and a few years later, she had taken an article about how a certain analytic engine worked and translated it along with adding a few personal notes. After these notes were published, attention was drawn onto Ada for her ingenuity and understanding that she showed of the operation and of solving certain mathematical problems. Ada was named the first programmer after her work based off of the analytic engine. What Ada was most famed for was the depth that she went into about explaining this engine she had been writing about and how you could look at the numbers and the parts differently. The idea that the machine could manipulate numbers and symbols so that it wasn't just calculating but understanding them as well, it received was first realized and discovered by Ada. She had been the first to see the potential of computers and was also a lot of times called the prophet of computer age for what she did to math and programming. The takeaway I had from researching Ada and learning about her achievements was that even though back then women had not been as frequently educated or looked to when it came to mathematics, she is a beacon for people and an inspiration to never give up and to use your talents and knowledge in all your work.